Sir, my name is Dian from the Philippines. How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
First time.
This is your first time to smoke cannabis?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, maybe you still didn't know that cannabis have three different categories. There is like the sativa. Sativa is the one that makes you like laugh, happy, creative mind. That is the sativa. And then the indica is the one that makes you the opposite of sativa. Makes you lay down on the bed, wants to like focus, you know what I mean?
Like sex, horny.
Paano masabi?
That is more on sativa.
Okay.
More energetic. Yeah, because indica is the one like you're going to lay down on the bed, watch the movie, something like that. So, yeah. Which one do you prefer, sir? And also the next one is the hybrid. It is 50-50.
For the
50 of sativa, 50 of indica. So you want more to lay down on the bed. Okay. So let's smell this.
smell like coffee.
Yeah. And also earthy. And the next one is permanent marker. This one.
Oh, this one is fun. Smells like herbs.
More herbs.
Yeah.
Slurricane. This one creamy.
Oh, this smell like tea.
Yeah. So yeah, those are the indicas. Which one do you prefer? This one. So which one do you prefer? This one. So
It's a light one.
yeah,
Not too strong.
not too strong.
Can I ask something?
Yeah.
If I take now,
Okay.
how long will be?
Before you feel it,
No, I mean
before it finish,
yes.
depends on the person. But I think 30 minutes to 2 hours.
Okay. No, I mean because I'm only staying here 4 days only.
Ah, okay. Then you asking me if you like go to the drug test? Only if this two joint after 2 weeks already gone.
2 weeks already.
Yeah. Or 1 week. If only this But if you're still going to smoke more, it's going to be more longer. But for me, for example, I smoke every day. I need like 2 months without smoking
Okay.
before I negative. Because I also do that also in the Philippines. You have always drug test.
At habang nagro-roll ka ako, ito pangalawang joint na tong niro-roll ko ha. Nagkukwentuhan kami. Natanong niya sa akin kung gaano katagal bago mawala sa katawan natin yung THC. Kasi pauwi na siya sa kanila, Chinese siya at masyadong stricto din sa bansa nila yung THC o yung pag-i-smoke ng cannabis. Nabanggit ko na kung etong dalawang joint lang yung sisindihan niya, at least 2 weeks, magne-negative na siya. Pero dahil sa katulad ko na heavy smoker or regular smoker, I think it takes me like 2 months bago mawala sa system ko yung cannabis or yung THC bago ako mag-negative sa drug test. So, ayun lang mga boss. After nito, sinisikipan ko na lang ngayon yung pangalawang joint. Tapos, ayan, ilalak ko. Last ng tik-tik yon. Tapos, ilalak ko na. After ko ilak yan, gugupitin ko yan maya-maya para mas presentable naman sa kanya. Mas madali niyang masisindihan. Hindi siya malilito kung paano niya sisindihan. Ayun, after nito, ayan, ito na yung ginupitan ko na nga yung joint. Tapos ilalagay ko to dun kung saan nakalagay yung papers na binili niya kasi pre-rolled na yon. Mas maganda to kasi hindi na kailangan basain para yung glue, di ba? Ayan, ilalagay ko lang siya dun sa box, tapos ibibigay ko dun sa bumili, tapos sisibat na siya. Yun lang mga boss. Again, it's me, DUTH, at andito po ako ngayon sa Bangkok, sa Thailand. Peace out.